Donald Trump has fired another salvo in his tariff war. On Friday, Asia woke up to a fresh social media post by the US president announcing 100% tariffs on pharmaceutical exports starting October 1st. All patented drugs will take the hit, with one exception: companies that set up their manufacturing plants inside America. While details remain scant, the announcement was enough to rattle the Indian pharmaceutical sector, which had so far been spared from Trump's tariff offensive. The Nifty opened deep in red, with all its 20 constituent stocks shedding several percentage points.
But I think we are working out an alternatives, and we believe that by the time product is made available, we will be able to neutralize most of it. As far as the industry is concerned, I think from India, mainly our business from Indian companies are generic business, and very few branded products are there in the US.
The industry, however, claims the impact of the Indian industry is minimal. PharmExcel, the Pharmaceutical Exports Promotion Council of India, says the new tariffs will impact only about $1 billion worth of exports. In 2024-25, India exported over $10 billion in drugs to the US, of which nearly 90% were generics. These remain unaffected by the latest tariffs. Importantly, the generic drugs India exports are the backbone of affordable healthcare in America. Nearly 90% of prescriptions in the US are for generic drugs. Around half of these prescriptions are supplied by India. The number is even higher for some high-volume categories. The Indian industry argues that US healthcare saves nearly $200 billion annually because of Indian generics. Despite the tariff noise, they expect exports to America to still grow 10 to 11% this year.
This is more related to patented and branded products, wherein India exports large part of their generic pharmaceutical products into US. So we don't find much of an impact being experienced into this particular category of the product what we export into US. So in nutshell, what I can say is that still till date, Indian pharmaceutical supply chain resilience continues to be there.
90% of generic products cost only 13% to the US healthcare system. So imposing tariff on generics is not a viable solution. It will add to the healthcare cost. However, we will continue to make that effort and keep on focusing whatever best we can do in this direction.
But concerns are mounting. Trump has already imposed 50% tariffs on several Indian goods in earlier rounds of the trade war. And he has now hinted at hiking pharma tariffs to 150% and eventually 250% in the next 12 to 18 months. With the US being the largest market for Indian pharma, any broadening of these tariff measures could materially alter the export trajectory and hit a multi-billion-dollar industry that is crucial to both Indian growth and US healthcare affordability. Bureau Report, Business Today TV.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.